Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please note that I share real and practical trading tips and premium calls to help you trade better and to grow your capital. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how my premium calls performed over the last 1 month, that is from 23rd June to 23rd July 2025. So you can see for yourself what kind of results you can get when you join my Telegram premium channel. All right. Also, what I understand is every trader wants clear, accurate calls with low risk and high probability, and that's exactly what my premium members get almost every day. Okay, so let's dive into the real numbers, and I will also tell you how you can join my Telegram channel and the benefits too. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the Telegram chat extract that I have extracted so that everything is transparent enough. I will go ahead and scroll through the entire chat history slowly, and from your end, you can pause the video whenever you need and see the data there. Okay, so let me bring up the extract, which is in the HTML format. Just a moment. All right, so here it is. So this is the premium channel that I run, and the calls for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and crude oil are broadcasted here. Okay, so starting from 23rd June, I will start scrolling down slowly. So that was 23rd June. This is 24th June. This is 25th June. This is 26th June. And the photo that you might be seeing, that there's no photo here. Normally there are some private messages which are posted for the premium channel members. So that information is there in that particular screenshot. So I have removed those screenshots. That is the reason why you don't see any photos or screenshots here. All right. So yeah, moving on. This is 27th June, and then it is 30th June, 1st July, 2nd July, 3rd July, 4th July, 7th July, 8th July, then it is 9th July, 10th July, 14th July, 15th July, 16th July, 17th July, 18th July, then comes 21st July, 22nd July, 23rd July, and 24th. Okay, 24th July is something which is yesterday, which was yesterday. So the report is still 23rd July. So the update was given early morning at around 12:14 a.m. on 24th July, but the data or the results are for 23rd July. Okay, so this was the extract from the Telegram premium channel that you just saw. Okay, now let's also have a look on the Excel sheet that I have prepared based on the daily calls that were given for Bank Nifty and crude oil. Okay, so let me just bring that up. Just a moment. Okay, here it is. All right, I hope it is visible. Let me increase the font a bit. All right. Okay, so these are the dates. Okay, so normally I give the calls on a regular basis almost every single day, Monday to Friday. So you can see the dates here, and these are the Nifty Bank Nifty trades. If the call was given, I have marked a yes. If the call was not given, I have marked a no. And the reason why the call was not been given is because the technicals wouldn't have matched. Okay, so normally I give out the calls only if I see the right technicals on the charts. If I don't see a right technical, and if I don't get a green signal from the technicals or from the technical analysis that I do, I do not give the calls. Okay, so uh, so this data is for Bank Nifty. This data is for crude oil. Okay, so let's cover Bank Nifty first. Okay, so if you see here, most of the days we are in profits, right? And most of the time we'll be at 100 to 150 points profit, right? And for the entire month, uh, there were only two stop loss hits. Okay, and we booked losses on 2 days. Okay, one loss was around 15 points, which is like negligible, right? So Bank Nifty, if you consider 15 points, booking a loss of 15 points is almost negligible. And another loss that we booked was at around 120 points. Okay, so these are the days only when we made the losses, and for the rest of the days we were in some decent profits. Okay, so what matters is the consistency, and what matters at the end of the day is that you should be in green, and we are in green. Okay, when it comes to Bank Nifty trading, right? Next, moving on to the crude oil trades. Again, if you see here, almost every day the calls were given, and I have missed a very few days where the technicals did not match, and that is the reason why the calls were not given. And if you see here, we are in profits for most of the days, right? Sometimes we uh, get a profit of 30 points, sometimes 50 points, sometimes 40, sometimes 70 points. It all depends, right? But again, what matters is we are booking profits at the end of the day. Okay, now coming on to the stop losses in crude, we have only one stop loss hit for the entire month. Okay, we had only one stop loss hit for the entire month, and there were around 6 to 7 days when the calls were not given. As I said, the technicals wouldn't be matching, so I did not give the call. Okay, so for the rest of the days, for all the days, we were in profit, and it was only a single day on which the stop loss was hit. Right, so this was the complete analysis of the calls that were given in the premium channel. Now, if we have a look on these numbers, okay, that are in bold. So this is for Bank Nifty and this is for crude oil. Okay, so what I want to show here is, uh, so when you see the number 1300, that means that we have earned 1300 profit points for Bank Nifty for the entire month. Okay, deducting the stop losses, deducting the losses, everything. Okay, 1300 are the profit points that we have earned. Okay, so if you are a guy who is very new to trading, and if you are trading with just one lot of Bank Nifty, and if you are earning 1300 profit points a month, then your monthly profit would be around 45,500 rupees. Okay, now if in the same way, if you are a guy who is trading with two lots of Bank Nifty, you will be earning around 91,000 per month. So it all, see, my job is to make sure that you are in profits. Your job is to decide how much loss can you take, and depending on that, you decide the number of lots you trade with. Okay, so for me, okay, if I talk about myself, to be frank, I trade with a minimum of 10 lots. Minimum. Okay, so you can calculate the profits that I make. Okay, similarly, if we move on to the crude oil trades, in the entire month, after deducting the stop loss hits or the losses that we have faced, we earned 450 profit points in crude oil trading for the entire month. Okay, and if someone trades with just one lot of crude oil and makes a profit of 450 points in the entire month, then his profit amount, or he will be earning around 45,000 rupees a month. Similarly, if you are a guy who is trading with two lots of crude oil, okay, then the profit that you take home at the end of the month will be around 90,000 rupees. Okay, so I don't want to talk about myself because, uh, okay, let me give you a hint. Okay, one lot, two lots, five lots, 10 lots. Once you get experienced, it will be a kid's play for you. Okay, because see, what actually depends when you trade real time is the mental pressure that you get. Okay, but the technicals remain the same, right? Whether you trade with one lot or whether you trade with 60 lots of crude oil, the technicals remain the same, right? The stop losses remain the same. It depends on how much calm can you be while you are trading. And that calmness that I'm talking about, that comes with experience. Okay, you need to get too much comfortable with the charts, wherein if your trade is going in an opposite direction, you should not panic. Okay, that calmness is earned through years of trading. Okay, so if I talk about myself, I trade with almost regularly, I trade with 60 lots of crude oil. Okay, 60. So you can calculate the profits that I make from crude oil trading. Okay, please note that these are just the example. The real numbers might be more, the real numbers might be less as well, but I have given you an average of how I trade or with how many lots I trade. Okay, so hope that is clear, and let me go ahead and minimize the sheet. Right, so if you follow the calls as I give you, you would easily cover your subscription fees many times over. Okay, please be mindful about it. Okay, and the best part is these calls are clear, simple, and come with entry, stop loss, and target. No guesswork, no confusion. Okay, so if you are serious about trading and serious about earning money and you want someone to guide you with clear, profitable setups every day, this is your chance to join a community of traders who are actually making money together. Okay, so that's my honest performance update, transparent, real, and the proof that disciplined trading works and can fetch you with some real and decent money in intraday trading as well. Okay, and if you want to join my Telegram premium channel, you need to just ping me directly on Telegram. My Telegram ID is at the rate Mangaldeep. Okay, and if you found this video valuable, do me a small favor, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment if you have any queries. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for your trust. Trade simple, trade smart, and I will see you inside the premium channel. Until then, stay profitable, stay disciplined, and happy trading. Bye bye.